Now we will see a problem on a line AB 60 mm long has its endpoint A 20 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. Draw the projection if the line is inclined at 45 degree to HP and 30 degree to VP. Now we will be taking the given data in the problem, that is a line AB of 60 mm length, point A 20 mm above HP and 15 mm in front of VP. The HP inclined angle is 45 degree and VP inclined angle is 30 degree. The first step here is to draw a 0 degree line. This 0 degree line will be the reference line for the problem that we are going to proceed. Above the reference line is the vertical plane and below the reference line is the horizontal plane. In the problem, the condition of the point A is it is above 20 mm and it is 15 mm in front of VP. So, from the reference line at 20 mm distance above the reference line, mark a point. Similarly, the in front distance is 15 mm. So, below the reference line at 15 mm distance, mark a point. Then, through these 2 points, that is through the 15 mm point, draw a line parallel to the reference line, and also through the 20 mm point, draw another line parallel to the reference line. Here, the reference line, the 15 mm point and the 20 mm point all should be on 0 degree line. Since the given point is A, mark the point A dash in the front view and the point A on the top view. So these 2 points, that is A dash and A point connecting line, will be the end projector line of the problem. After marking the point A and A dash, give your dimensions to the respective lines. The line is inclined at 45 degree to horizontal plane. Since the horizontal plane inclination will be seen in the front view, mark this 45 degree from the point A dash. Through this 45 degree, draw a line of length 60 mm and mark the endpoint as B1 dash. Then from the point B1 dash, draw a vertical projection to the opposite locus. There you will be getting the top view of the point B1 dash, which is B1. Now connect the point A with B1. In the problem, the vertical plane angle is 30 degree. The vertical inclination will be seen in the top view. So, from the point A for 30 degree and for 60 mm, draw a line. Also, mark the endpoint of the line as B2. Now, from the point B2, draw a vertical projection to the opposite locus. In the opposite locus, you will be getting the front view of the point B2 as B2 dash. Through the point B2 and B1 dash, draw a line parallel to the reference line. These lines will be acting as a locus of the points A dash, locus of the point B dash, locus of the point A and locus of the point B. Finally, we will be drawing the front view and top view of the given line. For that, first take A dash, B2 dash as radius and the center will be A dash. Now, from the point B2 dash, draw an arc to the locus B dash. The intersection of the arc and the locus B dash is marked as B dash. Now, connect the point A dash with B dash. So, the line A dash, B dash will be the final front view of the given line. Similarly, to draw the top view, take A B1 as radius and the point A as center, draw an arc to the locus B. Here you will be getting an intersection of the curve and the locus B. Find the intersection and mark the point as B. Now connect the point A with B. Finally, the line AB will be the top view of the given line. Finally, the line A dash B dash will be the front view and AB will be the top view.